Hey friends, if you wish to fix slow file copy speed on in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is disk cleanup. Why? Because if there is any shortage of space on the system, you will face such issues. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all of the boxes here and then click on OK once again and then select delete files. The next one is to use the correct USB slot. And how will you do that? I'll tell you there are two kinds of USB slots, or basically there are more than two kinds of USB slots. So one is the black one, which is USB 2.0. One is the blue one. I'll show you what it looks like. Right, the end is blue in color. Okay, look at this. The end is blue in color. This is USB 3.0. And then there is a third one called USB-C. It is shorter in size. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So you can use USB 3.0 or USB-C for file transfer if you want faster speeds. The last one is to use the TerraCopy software, and this will really work. Okay, so I have installed it on my system. You can install it from the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store, search for TerraCopy and hit enter. Go to TerraCopy and select install here. Okay, now once it is installed, because I always have it installed on my system, let us say I had to copy one file from this folder to this one. When I try copying it, it will ask me whether I want to use the usual Explorer method, Terra copy. Just press this Terra copy option and it will be done in a fraction of a second. This actually increases the file copy speed by multiple times. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.